Descript is an AI-driven video and audio editing platform that simplifies audio fixing through text-based editing. Audio fixing in Descript involves three core areas: adjusting microphone levels for clarity, removing unwanted noise using AI, and ensuring seamless audio-video synchronization. Descript's latest version 3.5 integrates advanced AI models with real-time processing and minimal latency. Key enhancements include adaptive noise cancellation for automatic background noise removal, mic-level automation to prevent distortion, and Overdub AI supporting multilingual voice cloning with accurate lip sync. By addressing these three core areas, Descript ensures your audio is clear, balanced, and perfectly aligned for professional results. Let's start with adjusting microphone levels. First, calibrate your microphone in the Recorder app. Use Descript's level meter to monitor input and aim for matic 12 dB to 6 dB average levels. This prevents distortion while maintaining clarity. Then, enable the Auto Level feature for automatic normalization across all your clips. Next, tackle noise removal. Upload your audio file, then select Remove Noise from the audio panel. Choose a preset such as Light for subtle noise or Heavy for more aggressive removal. For advanced control, isolate a silent section to train the AI on your specific noise profile. Finally, ensure proper synchronization. Import both your video and audio files, then generate a transcript using Descript's AI. Use the sync tools in the timeline to align audio with video frames. For best results, enable auto sync to leverage AI-assisted lip sync, which matches phonemes accurately.